Hey everyone, want to start using Cloud AI but don't know where to begin? In this video, I'll show you how to get started with Cloud AI step by step. Yeah, whether you're completely new to AI or just exploring new tools, this guide will help you understand the basics and start using Cloud AI confidently. First, open your web browser and visit the Cloud AI website. Create an account or sign in if you already have one. Make sure you're using the correct account before setting up your AI workspace. Once you're logged in, explore the main dashboard and get familiar with the available features. Look for areas like AI tools, projects, templates, settings, and workspace options. Understanding the layout makes it easier to find everything you need. Next, start with a simple AI task. Open the text generation or chat feature and enter a basic prompt. For example, you can ask Cloud AI to write content, summarize information, create ideas, or help with a specific project. After entering your prompt, review the generated response and experiment with different instructions. The more specific your prompts are, the better results Cloud AI can usually provide. You can also explore other features like uploading files, creating images, organizing projects, and connecting supported services. These tools can help you use Cloud AI for different types of work. If you're new to AI, take some time to practice with simple tasks first. So learning how to write clear prompts and explore features will help you get better results over time. You can also check available templates, tutorials, and help resources to learn more advanced options and improve your workflow. And that's how you get started with Cloud AI. By learning the basics and experimenting with different features, you can make the most of AI tools for your everyday tasks. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy technology guides.